This video, we're going to cover how to integrate WishList member with AWeber. So to get started, set up integrations and email providers. You'll see AWeber on the list here. Just go ahead and click it. Now, again, you may need to enable this if it's not enabled. And then you'll just want to click the Connect WishList member to AWeber button. That's going to take you over to AWeber to authorize the WishList member app. So we'll go ahead and log in and hit Allow Access. And then that will bring you back to WishList member, and you'll get you'll have this key that WishList member stores to remember the connection. But at that point, you'll be connected. So then the next thing you want to do is head on over to the mailing list, and this is where we're going to tie membership levels to mailing lists. So the idea here is when someone signs up to a membership level, they get added to one of your lists, and so we can just click one of these to edit it. You'll see, okay, I can select what list I want them added to. I can do the add tracking, action if a member is removed or canceled from a level. So we can do nothing, so they'll remain on the list. We can unsubscribe them from the selected list, or we can delete them from the selected list. Now, unsubscribe and delete are a little bit different. So unsubscribe means that they get unsubscribed, but they're still they still have an account in your AWeber account. So there's still a user in your AWeber account, which can count against the number of people that you have on your list and can count against what you ultimately pay per month to AWeber. Whereas if you delete them from the selected list, they'll be deleted from that list and they won't count against you in that way. So you can choose which one of those three options you want to do. Then we can go through and we can do tagging. So when they are added to this membership level, we can apply or remove tags. When they're canceled, we can apply or remove tags. And when they're removed, we can apply or remove tags. Now, the difference between canceled and removed: canceled, they actually still show that they're a part of that membership level. Their status is just canceled, so they can't access the content. Whereas removed is when they're actually completely removed from that level. That level doesn't show as them being a part of it anymore. So that's the difference between those two. So you can do different tags based on those two different things. Okay. So once you've set up all your tags and all your settings according to how you want to, just hit save and close. And then you'll be good to go, and you can go through and do that for every list that you have or in every membership level that you have or want to do it for. So pretty straightforward. That is integrating AWeber with WishList member.